How to fix GCash app account is on hold. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to fix GCash app account is on hold. So the only way to fix this kind of issue is to go to Help Center or contact the GCash support team. To do that, you need to open any specific browser on your device. And with the help of the search bar, you need to type in help.gcas.com and this official website will open on your device. Click on the chat with Gigi at bottom right corner of the screen and start a new chat on this Help Center chat section. You can simply tap or click on the message box at the bottom of the screen and type in submit a ticket. Press enter on the keyboard. Once you type in submit the ticket, you will get submit a ticket button. Simply click on it and a new menu box pop-ups at the top left corner of the screen. Expand this menu box on the screen. Once you expand it, here you have to fill in all your credentials regarding your email address, GCash registered full name, country where you register your GCash account, mobile number, concern category, the other information about your concern. You need to upload a photo or attachment that helps assist you with your concern. And after clicking on the submit button, your issue of GCash app account is on hold will fix. The other thing you can easily or the other step you can do is simply you can click on contact us at top right corner of the screen. Here are the three ways, that is browse the help center, chat with Gigi, and call the hotline. Here is the number given on the screen. You can easily dial this hotline number and fix GCash app account is on hold. So these are the two ways that you can apply to fix the GCash app account is on hold. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for more relevant videos.